Hi guys, welcome to week 2, dance class number 2. Now we're going to build upon, that's what I mean to say, what we did last week. Now last week's bar exercises, I would encourage you, if you want to do it again, give it a try. If you don't, totally cool. But that whole routine is going to really help strengthen your legs and connect your legs to your core. Because in dance, and really any type of movement, we are moving in a connective way. And that really helps connect those legs to your core. But today, we're going to do a few other things that build upon the things we learned last week. So we will start facing the bar. And so go to a couch, countertop, a wall, whatever you have. And we're going to get started. I'm going to play the music. I'm just going to talk you through the whole thing. Alrighty. Face the bar, feet in parallel, hands drift on top, up, down, lift those heels up, squeeze the bottom, woo! 4 more, 3, and 2, and 1. Now we're gonna walk, lift up the right, switch to the left. Switch to the right, left. Switch, 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 switch. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower, bend. Let's do that again. Here we go. Up, down, up, squeeze your bottom, up, down. 3 more. 2. Last one. Okay, lift up the right heel, switch to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower the heel and bend. All the way from the top. We go up, down, squeeze the bottom, up, down. Up, down, 4 more, 4, and 3, and 2, last one, lift up the right heel, switch to the left toe, to the right toe, to the left toe, and 4, and 3, and 2, 1, lower the heel, and bend. We're going to go fast. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Lower. Alright. Nice job. Do a nice deep bend. And just hang forward. Bring your belly to your knees. Grab your elbows. Hang the head. Big breath. Bring your hands up, roll. And let your heart full look up. Hang your head, press into the knees, hollow the spine. Let's do that once more. Heart shines, lower, press, hollow. Pop your hand on the bar. Here we go again. We go up, lower, up, down. Up, down, squeeze your bottom. 2 more. Oh yeah. Lower, lift the right heel, switch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hover. Oh. Send it all the way up. Hold there. We press pause. Nice job, ladies. We are going to go on and we're going to learn some pliés in this floor space, okay? So no longer are we holding onto the bar. We're going to find our own strength, our own balance without it. But feel free to do it close to whatever you were holding onto if you do feel a little bit, wobbly. So I am going to show you here, but then I'm going to turn so you can see me in the mirror, okay? So first off, we're going to do it in a parallel, which means that my feet are parallel in each other. And we're going to plie and press, and plie and press, and plie and press, okay? I'm going to turn so you can see me from the back because I think it's easier for you to follow along. So I'm right here, and we go plie, press to the heels, plie, press to the heels, and then let the head fall over. Now I'm not lifting my hip, my hips are still down, it's just my head, and up, and then my head falls, shoo, and up. Then I'm gonna releve all the way up, lower, and lift my heart. Now when we're here, our shoulders aren't up, our shoulders are rolling down. You might only be able to look slightly up. That's totally cool. Embrace your body. Okay, and then we are going to do it in a second parallel. So my legs are a little bit further apart, and we plie, da-da, plie, bam-ba-da. Head falls to the right, da-da, to the left. And I releve, look forward, lower, lift my heart. And then we're going to come into a first position. And we plie, ba-ba-da, plie, ba-ba-da, plie, head falls, da-da, head falls to the left, releve, lower, lift the heart, and then we're going to point and be in a second. We plie, bam-ba, da-da, dee-da, head falls to the right, over to the left, shoo, releve, squeeze your bottom, lower, heart shines. Okay? So, that is what we're going to do right now. We're going to do it probably twice, and then I'm going to show you some arms. I'll just keep doing it. I'll add the arms. If the arms make you crazy, don't do them. Okay? Just don't do them. Here we go. Let's get the music. Okay, here we are. We're in a first parallel. 5, 6, 7. Plie, press. Plie, press. Head drops to the right. Press to the left. Press, releve, squeeze your bottom, lower, heart shines. Point to a second. And plie, press to the heels. And plie, press to the heels. Head drops to the right. Lift. Head drops to the left. Lift. Releve. Lower. Heart shines. Step it into a first position. 5, 6, 7, and plie. Press. Plie. Press. Head drops to the right. Up to the left. Up. Releve. Squeeze your bottom. Lower, heart shines. Point and plie. Press to the heels. Plie. Press to the heels. Head falls. Woo. Head. Woo. Lift it up. Lower, heart shines. Woo. Bring it in. Back to a parallel. 5, 6, 7, 8. Plie. Press to the heels. And plie. Press to the get added, it is super duper normal for people to start forgetting what their feet do. So if that's you, just drop the arms again. And then when you feel like you've got the other parts, add them back in, okay? So just honor where you're at. Also, adding arms, you might suddenly feel crazy tension here, and that's very normal too. So just be kind to your body, give your body a break when you need a break, and just don't do more than you need to do. And we're just gonna do one last little cool down before we get done, okay? So, let's pop the music back on. Alrighty. You're just gonna mirror me as we finish off. So you just copy me and do the opposite. Okay, my feet are pointing out. I'm gonna plie, arms come down. And plie, arms come down. And plie, arms come down. Now this time, arms come all the way up, plie. Press to those heels. 2 more. Press to the heels. And another one. Press to the heels. Nice. Arms to the side. We're going to scoop up this way. Come here and open. Other side. Scoop. All the way over. Back to the beginning. Arms come down. Up. Arms come down. Up. All the way up to here. Bum, bum, bum. Shoulders roll down. We're dropping them up here. Down. Arms to the side. Scoop over. Send it down and scoop. Oh, yeah. Okay, we're going to just swing those hips around. Just kind of let them go because you've really been controlling them. And the other side, woo! All the way around. Ooh, that was good. All right, just bring your legs on in, give yourself a nice hug. Open up. Other hand on top, hug. And that is our class. Let me press pause on music. Nice job, ladies. Just enjoy your body. Your body's fabulous. It's going to look different to mine. The most important thing is to try and mimic from my body to your body is our alignment. So that's the biggest thing that you want. So when our arms to the side, if your arms are up here, you want to mimic the alignment of your arms a little bit lower. Same as when we plie, we don't want to be sticking out. We want, for me, I need to tuck, but maybe you're naturally a tucker and you need to extend. I don't know. We want to mimic the alignment that I'm showing you. Just be open to the fact that your body will look different because it's different and beautiful, but we're trying to mimic the same alignment so that we can be healthy and avoid injury. Okay? Take care. We'll see you guys. Mwah!